Good morning, everyone. So today we are carry on our Linux related class in which we will see the command related to Linux. So for the today class, we will see some user management command, which is a start from creating the user account. So on a base level, why we required to create some user account so that the user will get their own environment where they can log in and they can perform their task. So we will start with user creation and the command is user add. So the command will look like user add, then the username, just like Rahul. Rahul user is already exist. That's why it's giving us prompt that Rahul user is already present. Okay. If you want to create some other user, maybe which is not present, user add, then the name of user, just like Sriman. Okay. So now the user is created. In order to verify the user is created, so how you can check? You can check whether file name is /etc/passwd and the command to see the content of file will be cat. So we can use cat etc passwd. Now in the last line, if you observe, you can find the Sriman user. Sriman user account information are there. So by this way, you can check user related information whenever a user account is created. This is the first command. But when we are using this command, we can use some other option also. Let's see. User add -c my comment, then the name of user, just like Gurdeep. So right now we created. If we want to observe same things, we can perform by using the cat command and we will see in the etc passwd file. But there are so much information. If you want to check the information with a filter, then you can apply grep command. Grep command, then the name. I want to check the user Gurdeep related information. That's why I just filter out. So right now we see the information regarding the user account Gurdeep. So the -c option which we use for the comment, right now you can observe about the comment. Okay, it is normal terms how we are creating the user account. In next term, we will see how we are giving the password related to any specific user. So the command will be passwd and the name of user. Then you have to give the password. By this way, the user's account right now is protected by the password. Okay, so this is all about how we create a user account and how we assign password to any specific user. Okay, right now, if you want to make some changes in the user creation information, just you created a user account. In the user creation, what you did, if you want to make any changes, you will use the user mode command. Okay, user mode. Then we have to apply just like -G. Capital G is the option used for adding the groups. Okay, so right now that user we want to add in any group. So the name of group just like wheel. I want to add the user Gurdev into the wheel group. Hit enter. Right now it is added. Okay, so by this way, what we are done, first we created a user account, then we are giving the password, then we can add that user to any particular group. Okay, after it, if we want, we can delete the user account also. And after deleting the user account, we can check. So first things, if the member is added to that group, how we can observe, how we can check it. So there is a file /etc/group from where we can check it. Okay, so we are applying filter grep, then Gurdeep, then etc group. Now check. So from here we can observe that there is a wheel group, and in the wheel group there is a member student and second user will be Gurdeep. So this is all about user management, how we are adding the user, how we are giving the password, how we are changing some information regarding the user. We can change some attributes, and after all, we are giving the password. So this is all about it. Right now, if you wish, if you want to remove any user from your system, so what is the command? You can use the userdel, and the username, just like we are using here, Sriman. So right now, the user is deleted. But whenever a user is created, a user account plus a home directory is also created. So we can see ls-s/home. There is also present the Sriman home directory. But if we observe, we deleted the user account Sriman. If you want to verify, you can check the etc passwd file from where you will not find the Sriman because Sriman account is removed. So right now, the Sriman is present into the home directory. So it is the home directory of the Sriman user. Why it is not deleted? Because we are not using -r option. If we are using userdel with -r option, it will delete or it will remove the user account plus its home directory also. Let's see. We are doing userdel -r for the Gurdeep. So right now, the user account Gurdeep is removed. Now let's check its home directory is present or removed. ls-l home. Right now, if you observe, there is no Gurdeep home directory. Means if we want to remove the user account, we can use the userdel command. If we want that its home directory should also be removed, then we will use userdel -r option and with username. So this is all about today class. Stay tuned. We will meet for the next classes. Thank you.